The reality of product development is that plans evolve and priorities shift, but it can be hard to explore different approaches without disrupting work that's in progress. So we created a new way to explore what-if scenarios. Here, I'm using a Gantt chart in AHA Roadmaps to manage a product launch. As you can see, the work is already in progress, but we just uncovered an important customer need. So before we commit to delivering it, let's see how that's going to impact our current plan. So I went ahead and created a scenario. So now I can go in and add that new feature. Right away, we see that if we want to deliver it, we're going to have to move out our release date by 1 week. And let's remove this lower priority feature to make sure that we have enough resources to deliver it. Next, I can share this scenario with my team to gather their input. And then once we're aligned on a plan going forward, I can review these changes and confirm them. That's going to update my actual plan. This gives you an easy way to explore those different approaches while your work is in progress without disrupting your team. So go ahead and give it a try in AHA Roadmaps today.